Alright everyone, moving on, we have reached components arrangements and panel layouts. Well guys, for one thing, these types of diagrams are not really related to the whole wiring systems, okay? Basically guys, these diagrams would only give us the location that we need for setting the equipment. Hence the whole diagram's name. Using such diagrams, we would understand where and how exactly an electrical equipment is going to be set in our electrical panel. Right, let me give you an example. Check this out. The panel that you can currently see here is actually called the capacitor panel, all right? Now here, we got equipments such as this regulator. Yeah, we can see the equipment and its emplacement area. And then also there are some fuses, some protective switches, if you will. And well, they are specified right in this area, like how they are arranged actually. And right over here, we actually have a view on the capacitors themselves. And as I said here, we got the contactors. And well, the arrangements of other equipments and components are specified here as well. And by the way, guys, down here we have, how do I put this? Well, let's go with what we have in the image, actually. We have a front door view. Well, precisely, when we open up the door, we can get a front view on the equipments and their arrangements. And well, the same goes for back and side views. And well, obviously, guys, this could become quite handy when we are working on electrical panels. All right, moving on, let's see what else we got. Okay, take a look at this. Guys, alongside components arrangements, we also have cabinet layouts. Well, guys, through this, we can basically get you can say a general view, a general layout on the entire electrical panel. For example, this current one includes 7 cells, with each cell containing a feeder. Like, more precisely, each one of these equipments is actually a feeder. And well, they would basically be used for controlling a single-phased or 3-phased motor or direct current motor. In other words, a DC motor. And then in this cabinet layout, we can see emplacement areas or locations for other equipment such as push buttons or for signal lamps or even for circuit breakers, aka power switches. And yeah, basically these would be the information that we can get out of these diagrams.